How to add image slider to Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a image slider or a carousel for image into your Wix website. So the process is going to be very easy. You're going to head over wix.com, sign in for your account, and you're going to see the site's dashboard. From this site's dashboard, we are going to select the website that we want to add this feature to. We're going to select, for example, this one, and we're going to wait for the dashboard to load up. In here, we are going only to bypass the dashboard, so we are not going to use anything from this dashboard. We're going to click on Design Site or Edit Site. In here, I have preloaded the website because it will take a little bit of time. So we are going to head over directly to the subject. Here we are all the website available. So what are we going to do? Either we are going to select the page that we want to add this specific slider to, or the carousel, or we can go ahead and select any of the sections or empty sections in here and start adding the images. So we are going to add, for example, for the purpose of the tutorial, I'm going to add it on this page. As you can see, I have this section. So if you do not know how to add a section, you're going to see that in between each intersection, we're going to get the plus button like add a section. You're going to click on it, and then we are going to click on add elements. From here, you're going to see, for example, the images. You can add, for example, some images in here, or you can go ahead and add, for example, some strips, and then you are going to add these strips to this specific, let's say here, area. Or you can go ahead and add or click on gallery, and you're going to see the recommended, pro, grid slider, and more galleries. So the today's video, or the goal from today's video, is going to be adding a gallery. So I don't know why this section has vanished, but we're going to click on elements again. We're going to click on slider, for example, and then we are going to see that we have this one, the sphere. We have this slider, which is going to have the arrows. We have also the postcard slider. And we are going to choose the one that will get our, let's say, attention, or it is going to be more suitable. So I'm going to use, for example, this one. This is the most simplest one. You're going to click on change image, for example, and these are going to be the setup images. So we have 12 images, and these images could be released or put in here on this case, and it is, or they are going to be sliding if you are going to put them. So you're going to click on settings, then you're going to set up the play button, for example, or autoplay on loading, for example, and here we have it. So you can change the images by clicking on change image in here or there, add your images and put them just like that. You can add a link to each image or describe the image and it will be shown up. Also adding the title in here. So here you can go ahead and control or set up the size, resize of the images. Also, you can go ahead and set up the action or the transition effect, for example, vertical, horizontal, crossfade, in and out, and etc. So you can also control the longevity, or how long the image is going to be last on the screen. For example, 1 second, 2 seconds, or up to 5 seconds. And then you are going to see the starting from the image sliding. And here we have it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.